Hello, my name is Birks Abdelet, and today I will present my final presentation. I completed my internship at DataKZ, where I worked as a data engineer. My supervisor during the internship was Sergey Ratnikov. In this presentation, I will briefly talk about the company, my internship objectives, the tools I used, and the main task I completed, and the experience I gained during the semester. I'd like to briefly introduce the company Adata. Adata is an information service for business solutions. It's a single platform that helps companies solve many business tasks in one place. The platform covers areas such as counterparty verification, public purchases, business analytics, compliance checks, document management. In short, Adata provides business with reliable data and analytics to support decision making, risk assessment, and compliance. My main focus areas were API development, ETL pipelines, microservice-based architecture, database modeling, and optimization. I contributed to internal services such as online reports, external data source, and the production ETL pipelines, which are actively used inside the company. My goals were to improve my practical skills in API development, to learn and actively use the talent ETL for production data pipelines, to analyze, structure, and process large datasets, to optimize backend performance and the database workflows. These objectives define the type of tasks I worked on throughout I worked with the following tools and the technologies. In programming, I mainly use Go, Python, and SQL. For microservice, I worked with FastAPI. For ETL process, I used the Talent Open Studio. Another important part of my work was building ETL pipelines in Talent. I worked on 2 marketplace projects for the market and the UPAC. My responsibilities included creating production database tables, implementing abstract logic, building full talent workflows, moving data from development to production, ensuring third normal form normalization. These pipelines are now used to keep production data consistent, and another complex task was updating the default route for online report. Designed the DL for around 10 connected tables, built a scalable EAV-based data model, implemented a new parser and loader integrations updates into the existing system. This report is used for quarterly financial and non-financial reporting, so correctness and scalability were critical. During the beta career program, I gained strong practical experience in API development and migration, building production-ready ETL pipelines, designing normalized and scalable database schemas, working with the real production data and the real business requirements. This experience improved my technical and engineering skills. To summarize my work during the semester, I completed 10 plus production-level tasks, migrated API from .NET to Go, built ETL pipelines for 2 marketplaces, optimize the sanction model, refactor the large parsers, fully integrated online report. All tasks were inputted in real system and passed internal review. Here you can see photos from my workplace. And this slide shows the office environment at Adata. In conclusion, this internship allowed me to work with real production systems, make meaningful contributions to Adata's internal services. The program helped me grow both technically and professionally. And thank you for listening. All materials and code are available on my GitHub repository.